record your audio and video separately. That one statement has caused more questions and controversy in my last Camtasia Mastery class than any other statement. So I want to make sure in this class to explain exactly what I mean by recording separately. First of all, if you are new to Camtasia, to recording on your computer, I want you to have an easy experience. And for most people, it makes sense for them to record one thing at a time. If they're recording their screen and their audio simultaneously, and one of the two has an error, let's say I speak the wrong words or I click the wrong thing, then we have to go back and redo everything we've done to that point. Instead, if you record your screen separate from your audio, you can record all of your audio, make all of the edits you need to in your audio, record your screen, and then make all of the edits you need when recording your screen. So that's what I mean by recording them separately. It gives a more professional presentation when you can have everything scripted ahead of time and record that audio and then show everything on the screen. Now, some people ask, which should I record first, the audio or the screen? And it's really up to you. It's a matter of personal preference. When I had a chance to attend TechSmith headquarters in Michigan, they asked that question to the audience. And well over half of the participants said they record their audio first. That was their preference. And for me, that's actually not my preference. The reason I personally don't prefer that is that I will often write the script and say, go here and click here and do this. And then when I get to the computer and I go through the steps, I will have missed a step. And I go, oh, now I have to go back and redo the audio. So for me, if I'm showing somebody how to do a progression, then what I want to do is record my screen first. Now, an exception to this would be if I was doing something like a marketing or sales video. In that case, I know exactly what I want to say. There aren't any steps that I have to make sure I get right on the computer. So in that case, recording the audio first, scripting it all out first is the better way to go. So take a look at your project, see which way is best for you. Lastly, there are some people who are very proficient speakers. They've given the same presentation dozens of times, and in that case, they know their content, they know the material, they know what to say and when to say it. And so they say, Ron, is it okay for me to record my voice and record my presentation at the same time? And I say, yes, absolutely. Again, do what's best for your project. You know yourself, you know your circumstances, you know your experience, you know how to use Camtasia and everything. Great. If that's you, go ahead and record them at the same time. If you're starting out though, my recommendation once more is to record those items separately, get the script, the audio recorded first, and then go back and record your screen.